Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know if food is organic. First, always look for the official USDA Organic seal on packaged foods. This is your primary indicator. Next, familiarize yourself with the various organic labeling categories as they signify different levels of organic content. Finally, for fresh produce, check the price lookup code, or PLU code, which should be a 5-digit number beginning with the numeral 9. These steps will help you make informed choices. When you see the 100% organic label, it means every single ingredient in that product meets organic standards. If a product is simply labeled organic, it contains a minimum of 95% organic ingredients. For items marked made with organic, at least 70% of their ingredients are organic. Products with less than 70% organic ingredients can only list organic items on the ingredient panel, not on the front of the package. For fresh fruits and vegetables, the price lookup, or PLU, code is a quick way to tell. An organic item will have a 5-digit PLU code that begins with the number 9. For example, an organic banana might be 94011. If the code has only 4 digits, it's conventionally grown. Be aware that a 5-digit code starting with 8 indicates a genetically modified organism, or GMO, product. Beyond the labels and PLU codes, you can also check the certifying agent listed on packaged organic products. This ensures the product has been verified by an accredited organization. When shopping at farmers' markets, don't hesitate to ask the farmers directly about their growing practices. Many restaurants now also highlight organic options on their menus, often with specific certifications. These extra steps provide greater assurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.